First off the top tonight at 10 o'clock, a possible downburst over parts of the Metroplex. We had hail, we had strong winds, we had fast, heavy rain in Tarrant County specifically, left a few thousand without power. And tonight, our crew's capturing this partial roof collapse. This is in Watauga. Marvin Hurst, in fact, is there tonight with a firsthand look at the damage that seemingly came out of nowhere tonight. Marvin.
It did, Doug, and boy, did it pack a punch. I want to show you some of the damage and talk about it. We are in the parking lot of Monty's Automotive. He says that he was right over there. You see where that car is, right over there, parked near that car in his truck. And he says that his truck started rocking. Just listen at what he heard inside of his truck. You can hear some of that hail. They are coming inside of the truck. He says he was parked inside of his truck there when the storm started blowing through. Osmond says as his truck rocked as the wind came through. So next door to him at Decra, there was a person who was having a completely different storm experience of their own. Things got so bad that Jason Harborough said that he had to jump into a carpet for his own safety from the storm.
The wind was actually louder than the crash, and next thing I know, I'm seeing the whole wall collapse, and my first instinct was, I need to go into the pit before I die.
I believe his name is Jason Harborough. Excuse me, Mr. Harborough there. Not far from here on Oakland, which is not far from where we're standing here. There's a neighborhood that's not far from here. Trees falling down all over everywhere into yards and on homes and even on vehicles. Now we're told that there was one injury that happened back here at this Decra building that we're talking about. We are learning just before we're coming on air that they probably will not be able to go back into that building at all. Doug?
Marvin Hurst tonight for us in Watauga. Marvin, thank you so very much.